Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today, I want to tell you about my business plan, Susastra Coffee Shop. There is a quote about the coffee. If the coffee is the gasoline of life, coffee shop are like the gas station for human. Susastra Coffee. At Susastra Coffee, we don't just serve a cup of delicious coffee, we offer a satisfying experience for true coffee enthusiasts. Every sip of coffee we serve not only bring forth enticing aromas and flavor, but also a unique story. The, adv- the advantage of our barista. Our barista are not only skilled in the art of brewing coffee, but also in storytelling. They have the ability to not only create the perfect beverage, but also to share the story behind each coffee bean they brew. When you enjoy a cup of coffee at Susta Coffee, you not only taste the richness of the coffee but also feel the warmth of the stories contained within. Something we offer to customer. In addition to serve coffee with captivating tales, Susastra Coffee also serves as a place for coffee lovers to exchange ideas, from casual conversation about the coffee brewing process to in-depth discussion about the origin of coffee bean. Here you will find a community that share the same interest in the world of coffee. What we offer to customer. Moreover, Susastra Coffee also offer a cozy space equipped with bookshelf. You can discover a variety of books about coffee ranging from the latest release to time classic. Explore the world of coffee to world and uncover more captivating tales hidden among its page. The journey of creating Susastra Coffee. Before embarking on the journey of creating Susastra Coffee, meticulous planning and budgeting were essential to ensure that our vision could come to life. The process involved careful consideration of various expenses involved in setting up a unique coffee shop with a focus on storytelling and community engagement. There is main expense include location and renovation, equipment, inventory, staffing, marketing and branding, operating expense, and community engagement. Okay. Next, we will talking about location and renovation. Securing the perfect location for Susastra Coffee was crucial. This involved leasing or purchasing a space suitable for a coffee shop, as well as renovation to create the cozy and inviting atmosphere we envisioned. Costs for remodeling, interior design, and furnishing were factored into the budget. Equipment. Quality coffee making equipment is fundamental to delivering exceptional beverage. Our budget allocated fund for espresso machine, grinder, brewing equipment, and other tools necessary for crafting the perfect coffee. Inventory. Searching high quality coffee beans, syrup, milk, alternative, and other ingredients was an important consideration. Additionally, stocking up on various types of coffee related merchandise and such as mugs, brewing equipment and branded merchandise was accounted for in the budget. Staffing. Hiring skilled barista would not only excel in brewing coffee but also possess storytelling ability was a priority. The expense for salary, training, and benefit for our team member. Marketing and branding. Establishing a strong brand identity and marking our unique concept to the target audience requirement a dedicated budget. This accomplishes expense for branding, materials, signage, website development, social media marketing, and promotional activity. Next, we will talking about operating expense. Ongoing operational costs such as utilities, insurance, license, permit, and administrative expense were considered in the budget to ensure smooth day-to-day operation in Susastra Coffee. Community engagement. As community engagement is a core aspect of our concept, allocating resources for organizing event, workshop, and other activity to facilitate interaction among coffee enthusiasts was incorporated into the budget. By carefully managing this expense and staying within the allocated budget, we were able to bring the vision of Susastra Coffee to fruition, creating a space where coffee lovers can indulge in great coffee, captivating stories, and meaningful connection. So, whether you're seeking a delicious brew, engaging conversation, or a cozy reading, no Susastra Coffee welcome you to experience the perfect blend of a coffee and storytelling. So, if you're looking for more than just a place to have a cup of coffee, come to Coffee Tales Susastra Coffee and enjoy an unforgettable experience that will satisfy both your coffee craving and soul. And for the last time, there's a quote about coffee. Life begins after a coffee, where every sip is a moment of awakening and every aroma is a journey to inspiration. Okay, end of presentation. Thank you for today and see you next time.